States, but I have had the opportunity to live in a couple of other countries. I lived in Italy and in Spain back in my youth, and really enjoyed that time, and have had some opportunities to work in the international side of things on the pest control industry as well. So I really appreciate you inviting me here, but I really did get drawn in by, oh, there's somebody from Nigeria, New Jersey, Texas, Peru, that kind of thing.
It's always amazing the countries that pop up.
Right.
So everybody's welcome anyway. So we're going to have the presentation now, and then afterwards, if you hold your questions, we'll have time for Q&A later. So I'll put the slides up. We've got some polls as well during the presentation, so hopefully you'll take part in those. Okay, I'll switch my webcam off. And over to you, Judy.
Well, thank you very much, Simon, and appreciate the fact that everybody's chatting in, where they're from. That was really fun to kind of watch some of those scroll by, but I will say you kind of get mesmerized by it when you're looking at that. So anyway, today I'm going to be talking about things that you may not know about the pest control industry. Now, the way this came up was, I should introduce myself a little bit here too. I do have, I spoke a little bit about my background geographically, but I am a board certified entomologist. I am a certified professional in food safety, as well as a preventive control qualified individual. Most of my 35-year career has been focused on commercial properties, food processing, down to restaurants, type of thing. So I do have that commercial focus. I did start really, we say, from the ground up. I was a technician and worked my way up through operations. Even though I am a technical person, I started in that operations side of things, and I think I bring a bit of a unique perspective to some of these technical topics. But I wanted to talk a little bit about what the seed was that started and grew into this webinar. It was really that I had two experiences very close together, one with a regulatory agency and one with insurance underwriters, believe it or not. And they just really seemed to have a, what I felt was a skewed view of, what our industry is about, what we do. So that's really how this webinar, the seed that was planted and kind of grew into this webinar. So I'm certainly hoping that, you'll find a couple of tidbits here that you can walk away with. We really can't, have a webinar